Welcome to Talsa Food Machinery. In this video, I will introduce a new range of automatic cookers, boilers, designed for boiling meat products such as sausages and other applications in the food industry. Talsa cookers are available in 5 capacities: 165, 250, 335, 505, and 725 liters, electric or gas heating. Talsa cookers are fully made of stainless steel, including interior. Made in Germany, aftermarket cage allows the cover to effortlessly open, close, move, and remain open at any angle from 20 to 85 degrees. The high-quality silicone lid seal prevents steam to escape. The desired temperature is reached faster, saving time and reducing energy consumption. 2 tabs built in front for direct filling with hot and cold water. Front draining tab with safeguard to prevent accidental opening. All models include an intermediate stainless steel thermal oil chamber. This chamber allows uniform heat distribution for better cooking and practically eliminates the possibility of burning the food at the bottom. It maintains the initial heat for the next cooks, saving time and energy. Oil chamber and lid are thermally insulated with fireproof fiberglass and aluminium sheathing, thus keeping heat longer and saving energy. Easy disassembly and access to serviceable parts. Legs provide floor clearance with perfect grip. 4 rounded and adjustable stainless steel feet allow precise leveling of the cooking. Easy to clean outside and inside. Rectangular container has rounded corners. All models with German brand Aditech control units mounted on separate switchboard, allowing precise programming of time and temperature, including delayed programming start at any desired time of day. Buzzer alerts at the end of cycle. Stainless steel mesh basket for extraction of the product in a single operation with the help of a hoist. Additional manual probe to measure core temperature of large pieces. Talsa, market leader in the global food industry.